going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So we are here at Fujiwara Tofu Cafe, which is Initial D themed cafe, car cafe for car enthusiasts. And I have my buddy Noel here with me today. So actually, first time and only time I was here was 2 years ago, and I came with Noel as well.
Yes.
So yeah, car themed cafe. They kind of changed up the decor a little bit. If you guys are fans of Initial D, you might recognize the from the manga movie Initial D Cafe. We have the owners, R86 over here. Also have some Itasha themed cars. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, car, let's go inside, get some food, steering wheel. So we're here at the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe. Order our food, came to check out the owner's car. So what's super cool is he actually does gymkhana, he does drifting in his car. I followed him on Instagram since he opened the shop about 2 years ago. So yeah, full like Initial D theme, Voltex Type 5 carbon fiber wing, GR86, T37s. And like, if you guys have been watching videos of Singapore car scene, from like Larry Chen or Speed Hunters, you would know like having a car in Singapore is just really expensive, and modifying it is just whole level of dedication. So yeah, whenever I see car enthusiasts here in Singapore, it's just, I don't know, just level of respect. But yeah, super cool. Even the tables, they're all like Initial D theme. That's super cool. And we also did see DC5R that pulled up. Our buddy Roy just imported one not too long ago, spotting the Mugen wing, sitting on some, these look like Rays Z40s? No, SSR wheels. Mercedes hatch, so cool. They just started up the GR86. Over here you can see outside seating as well, little vending machine. Yeah, super cool. Just love the decor. You guys know I'm a huge like JDM fanatic, huge Initial D fanatic. Got some tin, street basis coilovers over here just hanging out. Destino tires, got wheels on the wall, wheels up there. That's so cool. Here at Fujiwara Tofu Cafe in Singapore, we got the katsudon, we got the unagi, takoyaki, sorry, and unagi yakitori.
Yes.
And with our buddy Noel. Super cool, even when you order, you have this little car. This is an FK Civic Type R, 10 Gen Civic Type R. Super cool. Even the chopsticks are Fujiwara Tofu Concept Singapore. I'm a huge sucker for collecting these stuff in my little display cabinet. But yeah, we're gonna dig in first, and then we'll check out some of the decor, the car decor here at the shop. Soju just came, which is Korean alcohol. And what's super cool is it actually comes in this gas pump. So this literally looks like a gas pump. Just press on this lever and then, yep. So we got the peach and lychee soju. Fun fact, in US they don't call it lychee, they call it lychee.
Oh, is it?
They pronounce it lychee. So yeah.
So tomorrow morning you will be...
Just done eating and just checking out some of the decor over here. So that's the owner, Sliding BRZ on Instagram. Bunch of Liberty Walk stuff. R34 GTR bumper setup. Ready steering wheel that's signed. Pretty cool Liberty Walk stuff. Spoon plate on the DC5R. Some Liberty Walk stuff too. Not sure if these things are for sale or maybe just decor display items. Very cool. And then over here we have more display items as well. And they also have their own merch too. Last time we bought one of their merch that says Fujiwara Tofu Cafe in Singapore. Let's support a local business. Grab something. That's so cool. Car meet. So yeah, I hope you guys like the car content here in Singapore. This is the first one. We'll be having buddies take us around to hopefully a couple events. Check out some workshops here in Singapore as well while we're here. A86 Hachiroku. Beyblades. Very cool. So here's the modified Mercedes hatchback. Tasha livery. Alright, so I'm gonna end off the current vlog here. So we had a great time at Fujiwara Tofu Cafe. Again, big shout out to the owner for taking us out, giving us some freebies. If you guys are here in Singapore and as a car enthusiast, make sure to check them out, Fujiwara Tofu Cafe. So yeah, more car content to come. Make sure to stay tuned, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.